ঘর নাই বাড়ি না, 17-18 বছর ধরে আমরা খুব কষ্ট আছি। আমরা ছেলে মেয়েরে কিভাবে মানুষ করব, কিভাবে ছেলে মেয়ে ঘর দর থাকবো, ঘর দর জ্বলাইয়ে রাস্তা বালা না, ছেলে মেয়ে হইরা আথাও ভাঙে।
Welcome, this is Minu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. Serious allegations of irregularities have surfaced in the geotagging process under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in the Dharamkhal Gram Panchayat of Shilkuri. Local residents claim that due to these irregularities, around 50 to 60 poor families have been deprived of the benefit of this government housing scheme. According to villagers, about 3 months ago, Arjun Das, a representative of the former GP president, and Saki Mohan Maladas, a GP member, geotagged houses of 60 families under the PMA scheme. However, when the final beneficiary list was released, only 2 names appeared instead of the original 60. Both names, it is alleged, belong to the relatives of the former president. As a result, many economically weaker families in the village have been denied their rightful benefits under the scheme. Locals further pointed out that till date, not a single resident of Ward number 9 of Dharamkal GP has received assistance under the PMA. The incident has sparked widespread resentment among the villagers, who are now demanding a thorough investigation and strict action against those responsible for the irregularities. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and support us by following the Facebook page.
ওই রাস্তার মধ্যে এইগুলা সিধা ফেলাই দিয়ে গেছে। পরে এই তো কাগজগুলা জিওটেসের কাগজ সিধাগুলা কাগজ ফেলাই দিয়ে গেছে। আর এরপরে আমার কাছে কইল যে দাদা এটা ভুল হয়ে গেছে, এই ভুলটা আমি সংশোধন করে দেবো, ইলেকশনের পরে সম্পূর্ণ করে আমি দিয়ে দেবো।